So, this is me, I guess I should say. I mean, I'm only doing voice. I'm not ever gonna do a face reveal. Oh my god, I'm not gonna do a face reveal, but for now, this is me. And yeah, I guess that's really kind of all I have to say. So, yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. All I have. I think I need a bit better at Gorilla Tag. I did a mock comp, so I will be doing some comp videos for you guys. And I'm a little bit sick right now, so that's why I sound like, oh my god, that's why I sound like this. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of all I have for right now. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the future. If anyone is ever gonna stick along with this channel. So yeah, bye.